dev block 1 here. It's 349. Wanna trying to make a game similar to Metal Slug, but it's 2.5D. I'm not sure how I can accomplish that, but hopefully things turn out well at the end. I can test it out right now, see what's up. So movements are working, shooting works, maximum ammo for all the weapons are 10 at the moment. I can find a script. Ah, there it is. Yeah. So if you take account onto the max ammo and the current ammo will decrease. It'll do the reload animation and it will fill. That's pretty much it. The only problem I'm having is the sniper. This camera seems to be clipping in with the player. I'm not sure what's happening. Scoping in works. I want the camera to match in with the overlay of the image. It seems to be not working. So hopefully I asked the forums for more help. Now onto that. Take a look at the vehicles. Oh, don't fall out. Alright. Vehicles, when I interact with them, when I collide with them and I press E, it does, I put a message saying that it's entered. It's not really entered at the moment, but when I press E, it says enter striker. However, it's colliding with the Humvee, and the Humvee is, oh, okay. Let's forget this. Anyways, Humvee right here. This is the Humvee. See, still collides with the striker. So let's take a look at the code over here. I looked through some videos. There are some scripts that have like a player manager or a sound manager or anything like that. It's not a good idea, but I put all of them into one. Again, it's a dummy player, so I'm still in testing phases, so hopefully I'll reorganize everything. This comments here: ammo, weapons, scopes, movement. Movement seems to be very slippery. I don't want that, so I'll probably do something about it. This is the problem that I'm having. I put a comment over here. This is inputs. This is where the problem happens as well. As I've said before, when I'm reloading, the gun seems to be still be able to shoot, so I want to pause the animation from that. There's another comment over here. Scope overlay problem. I'm thinking it's this code problem. I didn't know how to do the scope, so I looked through a tutorial, and Brackeys was the one that helped me the most. This commented block of code. This was a previous work of a tank, just like a simple tank made of just 3D objects. So I'm hoping to incorporate it into these vehicles here. Weapon scripting. Pretty self-explanatory. Just how to get the weapons on as like the index. Vehicle script. That's another problem that I have. So I want when the player enters the vehicle, I want the view of the player to be on the vehicle. But first, I have to make sure that the player is in the vehicle, so I have to remove the character out of it first. But yeah, that's another problem I have to go through. Movement, it's the same at the moment. I'm not sure if this is the correct way of doing it, but it seems to be working. I set a tag for vehicle. If I just do game object find with a name, I'm pretty sure it'll be. I mean, there's a lot of vehicles with different names, so it'll be difficult to put every code onto that. And yeah, this is it. I'm pretty sure I have to do something with, not with the code, but with the camera over here, where it's focusing. Yeah, the camera follow. I'm wondering if I can take the class of camera follow script, reference it to the vehicle script, and then make a new camera and then set that camera as, set the new camera as the camera follow. I wonder if that works. I have this commented code here. I'm not sure if it, well, it doesn't work, but I don't know if there's any other way. Probably ask the forums for some help. And yeah, that's the end of the recording. Hopefully there'll be a dev blog 2 coming soon.